Hello everyone, this is CA Damodaram Pagadala, Chartered Accountant, founder of My Career Point. Today I would like to address a very important aspect for exam appearance. The thing is, we all know that in the CA and CMA examinations, the question paper will be a bit lengthy and time consuming for us to read each and every question in detail. So the 3 hours what they're allotting is not sufficient. So realizing that fact, CA and CM Institute is giving to us extra 15 minutes for reading the question paper. So I'm talking about how to utilize the first 15 minutes from receiving the question paper before they're giving you the answer sheets in order to make the next 3 hours more effective. Some students read the entire question paper in that 15 minutes, but few students read only few selective questions, but they go very deep inside. Whereas the other side, few students they just turn here and there, they don't focus on reading the questions, they just a glance they will do it. According to me, based on my research and interaction with the students, all these three things are wrong. So, what best we have to do in order to make the first 15 minutes more efficiently used so that the rest of the 3 hours, the exam presentation, handling the 100 marks will become very effective. Before I give the strategy for effectively use of that 15 minutes, first understand everyone that whatever is given is not the question. Every question we should divide into two parts. First one is called facts, information, details. The next one is called the main question. Any question you take, 99% what you can see is the facts, information. The rest in one single line, they will give you the main question. In order to judge whether that question is easy for you, whether the question is already known to you or not, whether the question is coming from your known practiced chapter or not, you don't have to read the entire question, just to go and see either the last line or the first line. Somewhere they will mention in the question what you supposed to do it. For example, if they are given a problem in the amalgamation, they will mention somewhere accounting in the books of purchase company. That is the main question. The moment you read that, you can able to judge this is an amalgamation chapter and this is the stage 3 where accounting in the books of purchase company. Then you have to see what method they are using, whether the purchase method or pooling of interest method, and then you have to recall your knowledge to answer that. If you are not practiced amalgamation chapter, if you skip that chapter or if you skip any particular method, then you don't have to read the entire question. You can save so much time. Like this, each and every question, identify the main question and check what chapter they are asking from and what is the topic, and judge yourself whether you are 100% sure about that particular question or not. If you are 100% sure, mark there as 1. And if you are 50-50, you know the chapter, you know the topic, but you're not that much confident, mark it as a 2. And if you are 100% not sure, you have not practiced with a particular chapter, mark it as a 3. Now let me explain what is this 1, 2, 3. Those questions which you marked as a 1 where you are 100% confident, those questions you are going to write in a first stage. The second will be you are going to try after you are finishing all the questions that is coming in the first stage. The third is you 100% not sure, you don't know anything about the chapter. In that case, you don't have to waste your time, you don't have to pressurize yourself for that stage 3. So you have to now analyze first stage 100% sure how many questions you know. From that, in total, how many marks you are going to address. Suppose in the first stage, assuming 60 marks you are going to address, then you are in a very good position. Okay, so now first level of preparation and presentation in the exam should be the first level of questions. After that, doing with that, go with the second stage. Now you read the questions in detail, in depth, all the facts, interpretations, you do it and identify the chapter, topic, subtopic, recall the knowledge, conceptual knowledge, apply it and try for the answer. Here you can spend some time. So now you know that it is not that all the questions you will be knowing it, and also it is not that all the questions are not knowing it. It is not like that. At least 60 percentage of the question paper, definitely 100% confidently you can do it. So instead of wasting your time on the third set of question papers, spend most of the time on the first set and second set. Damn sure you will be getting the exemption. I hope how effectively you are going to make use of the first 15 minutes matters a lot, and that will judge the rest of the 3 hours for the entire presentation. So please make use of this 15 minutes time and effectively read the questions. No need to go in detail of each and every question. Identify the main question, identify the chapter and topic they ask, judge whether you know it 100% confidently or 50-50 or 100% not sure. Accordingly, prioritize your answers in the 3 hours and spend most of the time with the 100% sure and give your best for the 50-50. Don't bother, don't waste your time with the 100% not sure. If you have a sufficient time at the end, then please sit with the questions which you are 100% not sure and try your level best, and whatever you know, whatever knowledge that you are able to gather, please present that and try to fill up the entire question paper. All the best, do well, thank you.